Yeah. Would you mind doing a lap with me?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
They're not looking at us.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Dean Wilson. Most of the time, I'm a professional motocross and supercross racer, but today, I'm Grandpa Earl.
Grandpa, let's go.
Let's go kick some ass, kiddo.
Grandpa, is Axel Hodges going to be there today?
I don't know. We'll soon see, won't we? Hello, sweetheart. How are you? That's a beautiful bike. What year is that?
15.
Wow. How fast does this go? What?
It cruises.
It cruises? I bet he rides the beginner track. Really, really fast. You're really fast. Brian,
Yeah.
how are you?
Yeah.
Big fan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Axel, right?
How's it going?
How you doing? Earl.
Axel.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
My grandsons just love you, man.
Really?
Oh, they love you. Oh, they watch all your videos and all that. I'm going to grab my nephew. He loves you, and I'll be back to bring him. Awesome.
Good.
Cool.
Right, man.
Would you have anything to sign for him?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Hey, Colt, I'm a massive fan. I'm going to gear up here in a minute.
Yeah.
Would you mind doing a lap with me?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Thank you very much. Are you pumped?
Yeah.
Cool.
Grandpa. They're not looking at us.
Might I do a start with you? Later. You just can't teach these guys experience. You can't coach that. Axel.
What up?
This is my grandson, Colton.
What's up, Colin? What are you doing? Chilling?
These are some pretty big jumps you do here. I think I can do these, you know.
I don't know.
Whoa! No, stop!
Yeah! That's how you do it, Colton.
You're crazy, Grandpa.
It's not about these young Instagrammers, remember that.